Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Google Flights like a pro for cheap travel. I will be using this one, and make sure you will just selected your destination. I want to from my this international airport, Pakistan, and I want to go on United Arab Emirates, Dubai city, and make sure you will just use flexible date search on this departure calendar, and I will be selecting February 5, 2025, and I want to return back ticket on like 10 March, and I want to done, and you will just simply go for search, and let's see. So you will just find the cheapest travel on it. So basically this is the cheapest from in PKR in my currency, 90,358 rupees. This is the cheapest price and best. So this is will be the time of departure, and this is the airline. So in this way you will just have to with giving them a flexible date for search on calendar to see the cheapest fare over month. So you will just select the flexible dates to find the best deals. So in this way you will just have to use Google Flights like a pro for a cheap travel. And if you want to just agree it, you will just simply tap on it, and from the website you will just go and you will have to pay for it to book your destination. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.